Lake Kariba, we remember. For every soul, for every family, for every tear that fell, we will never forget. The sun was shining over Kariba. The water looked so calm and blue, but underneath that quiet silence, a tragedy came breaking through. Mothers cried and fathers trembled. Children waited for their loved ones, and the whole land stood in sorrow as we asked, why did this happen? Oh Lord, hear the crying, hear the voices in the night. Comfort every broken family, hold them in your arms tonight. Lake Kariba, we remember those we lost. Though the tears may keep on falling, the memories will never be lost. Lake Kariba, hear our voices from Zimbabwe to the world. We mourn today, but we will carry every story that was told. Some left home and said goodbye, never knowing it was the last. Some were waiting by the doorway, praying for them to come back. Names became our precious memories, pictures became our way to hold them, and the empty chairs remind us love can never be forgotten. Oh Lord, wipe every teardrop, give the broken heart some peace. Where the pain is deep and heavy, let your comfort never cease. If you hear this song, remember them. Remember